Let's make this delicious mixed vegetable. A flavorful mix of sautéed vegetables like cauliflower, carrots, and potatoes, paired with warm fluffy naan for satisfying meal. Start with 1/4 cup of olive oil. Add 1 cup of sliced onions. Sauté until light golden on medium-low heat. Add 1 teaspoon cumin. Keep stirring. At the point when you see the onions are light golden, add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Sauté for 1 minute on low heat. Add 1/4 cup of water. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, cook on medium heat until oil separates. Now add 2 medium tomatoes, 2 medium potatoes cut into cubes, 2 cups of cauliflower florets, 1 cup of carrot cut into slices, 1/2 cup of green beans and 1/2 cup of green peas. Mix it to incorporate all spices into vegetables on medium heat. Now add 1/2 cup of water and mix it. Cover and cook on low heat for 15 minutes. After that, check if the vegetables are cooked and tender. Sauté on medium heat until excess water evaporates. Be careful not to break the vegetables. Finally, add 2 teaspoons of dry fenugreek leaves. Mix it. Adjust the salt according to your taste. Switch off the heat. Beautiful looking and delicious mixed vegetable is ready. Enjoy with your favorite naan. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.